In the last episode, we left home and drove 12 hours from Toronto, Ontario to Springfield, Illinois. Since then, we've clocked over 1,000 miles through Missouri, Kansas, and Colorado. A 17-hour journey that has led us right here to Pagosa Springs. Our backs are sore, but our spirits are high. Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well. It's a nice sunny day here in, where are we even? Colorado still?
Yeah, we're in the mountains.
We're in the mountains and we're just getting up. We're about 2.5 hours away from Monument Valley and Horseshoe Bend and some of the places that we want to spend some time in Arizona, which is so exciting. So we've been driving for days and days and days at this point. We're finally changing our clothes just so that we don't look completely hobo.
Let me show them the mountains.
Wait, you didn't even fully change your clothes. You just put a top on top of your top?
Yeah. The mountains. It's beautiful. Beautiful day.
Then we prepared some overnight oats last night. Just some coconut yogurt with oats. And we also added some of our trail mix in there.
And
and
new Chaiwala product alert. With chai sprinkles. This stuff is bomb. It's crystallized maple syrup with chai spice.
Yeah.
So it just gives it a little bit of natural sweetness.
And I'm gonna put some apple
on it too.
And maybe banana.
Definitely banana. If I have anything to say about it.
Yeah. That's what I figured. For anyone who's wondering, we do not have a mirror. No, we don't have a mirror in the van. When one of us points out to the other one that there's something going on, like Eamon's got his first pimples of like...
I just had puberty.
I haven't seen you with a pimple in years.
Trying to get a little bit more creative with our angles here, but we don't really have like a mount system, so we need to... That's okay. Well, thank you, darling. Darling.
A few things you guys should know about our laziness on the road. One is we never put our bed up, so this is where we eat because we don't have a couch. And number two is we always spare the dishes, so we just eat out of our big Tupperware or whatever we've made it in. If it's a soup, if it's a pasta, we're eating out of the pot.
Of course. How good is that?
Real good. Okay, I think we're gonna enjoy our breakfast and our tea, and we'll hit the road. I think I've got the next shift.
You think?
You drove 2 hours, that's the shifts.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna drive the next shift.
There's only 2 more hours left.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Take us all the way to Bend. Toilet break in the middle of Utah. Hey, how are you? Surprisingly, Washington's not that bad at all. Don't judge a book by its cover. Driving in here, we were very concerned on the visibility front for photos and video.
What the heck just happened?
And look at that, guys. All of a sudden, we're just out of the blanket. There's like a blanket or a cloud that we were in. And now we are open road, beautiful sunshine.
Yeah!
Let's go!
Oops, shoot down. Shoot down. Are you guys ready to check out this amazing, the sun! We've made it to destination number 1. It's so important to enjoy the journey, but sometimes arriving at the desto is pretty sweet. The sun is out. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Who's excited?
I'm very excited. Very, very, very excited, but I'm also have a big headache and I'm just being a little brat.
Yeah, you are. Take a nap. Nobody needs you. I'm gonna enjoy the sun.
So sick, dude.
I know, look at you.
So bright.
You're just like hanging out looking at this freaking amazing landscape.
Oh, it's nice weather too, like 4 degrees doesn't feel too bad.
When there's like nice and sun and everything.
Yeah.
I think the biggest thing about life in Toronto is that for the past 4 months, we haven't seen the sun for more than 3 days. And that's over 4 months
Personally, babe, we need to like realize that sun makes us happy and budget that into our lifestyle.
Forever and ever and ever.
It's a mental health expense.
I think you guys, if you've been around for a long time or long enough, you've seen me do this before, but I am literally the type of person that if we're walking and the whole group is like kind of walking this way, but the sun is this way, I just like keep my head towards the sun at all times. I freaking love it. I freaking love this!
She's not kidding, guys. She's been like that for 15 minutes. What is she doing?
I'm not gonna lie, I was just sitting here and I'm taking in my sun worshiper status, and I'm like just breathing, and I start crying my eyes out, and I think it's just because I'm so grateful for the life I'm living. I feel so grateful to be in this spot right now. I don't know, I just feel overwhelmed by excitement for what's to come. So I hope you'll stick around for the journey. Whoa, I almost feel like I could be in a bikini, not gonna lie. 4 degrees, baby. Look who's up!
Look who's got a burrito!
While Eamon was snoozing, I made some chickpea salad wraps.
Yeah.
I feel like we ate chickpea salad sandwiches of sorts. Whoa, that's blinding. Your plate is blinding.
Oh.
Every day of this road trip.
Yeah, we're gonna change the word from lunch to chickpea salad.
Also, I can't even get over this. I'm shooting you, but I'm obsessed with the background behind you. Wow. When we were back in BC, I left one of our lawn chairs at a campsite we were at. So now we just have one. So I guess it's Eamon's turn to sit and bask in the sun. He's just having lunch. He put on his SPF lit chap. Buddy! You having fun? And my job is going to be to take this house that is just like a disaster and just tidy it up for no one's sake but my own. Check in with you when it's done.
This is the first time we put out the bed in 5 days, so...
that alone...
5 days, probably longer. Even in Toronto, we would just leave it out.
That alone makes such a difference in a small space. People
Yeah.
often say, like, would you have a fixed bed? And with this size van, my answer is absolutely no.
Yeah, 100%.
It's just so claustrophobic.
Also, I feel like people don't realize how key back entry is.
Like this is?
Yeah,
Yeah.
very key.
Yeah.
I'll show you our inventory for this trip.
Holy smokes.
I brought 3 skateboards.
Oh my god.
Just in the rare opportunity that I meet
that
friends.
you meet friends. Oh, there's lots of friends out here. Why don't you go skateboarding?
Oh.
Buddy, that's
Hello?
insane.
Hello?
Thanks for having us, Valiant Gods. We're on our way.
Wow, horse.
Oh my gosh, legit.
Yeah.
Hi, beautiful. What are we doing?
Well, you want a back shot, so I'm gonna try and get you a back shot.
Oh yeah, that's sick.
Got it!
Monument Valley is an iconic symbol of the American West and is located on the Arizona-Utah border. It is a cluster of vast sandstone buttes that stand up to 1,000 feet above the valley floor. So what we learned was Arizona Monument Valley is great for sunset, but Utah Monument Valley from Forrest Gump Point and those kind of areas is supposed to be really good for sunrise. And we thought, we'll never be here again, so we're gonna sleep over at that BLM land and we're gonna hit it for sunrise and try to take some fun photos. So we are headed back to Utah.
Hey, Noki Sue. Yeah, gnocchi soup. I love it when my buddy's looking cute making gnocchi soup.
I know you guys are used to seeing Eamon in the kitchen, and one of the reasons that always is he really is a freestyle chef. So for me, I actually have our ebook out. This is actually my recipe, and I'm still looking at the directions just to make sure that I've got enough of everything. Eamon's actually editing this vlog right now. He's doing the morning footage, so we're ahead, and that's kind of what a night with Eamon and Beck looks like. A little bit of work, lots of food, you know the drill. Just like that, ready to serve up.
Are you talking to me?
Nope, I'm talking to the vlog. You ready for some soup though?
Yes, ma'am. Please, badly. So I'll have 3 bowls.
Can I offer you some fresh ground pepper?
Whoa.
Just say when. Buddy. Is that good?
More, please.
More? Is that good? It's always so awkward going out to restaurants with you when someone asks if they can freshly ground some pepper, because you actually let them grind it for like so long.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, bon appetit, my love.
Oh, muchas gracias, amiga. It's gonna be way too picante.
Yeah, it's gonna be too hot
Calor?
for you. Calor.
Calor. That'll bring us to 9 p.m. Mountain time.
I think we are on mountain time.
We are actually gonna crash and get up early tomorrow, so we'll see you then.
Good night, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite.
I promise I'll change my shirt tomorrow.
Good morning, everybody. Eamon and I had the most peaceful sleep out here in the desert, and we're up with the sun this morning to get a few more photos and just really take it all in and enjoy it, because I'm loving it.
This is the famous road, highway, that everybody gets their photos on. Pretty sick. Really quiet, so I feel like it's pretty safe to do that now. I mean, it's kind of silly to lie in the middle of the road and get a photo, but it looks just so good. Wow, this is awesome. So yeah, we're gonna take some snaps. I'm gonna leave you right here so you can watch it all go down. A great success in Monument Valley. Oh, I think we're a little...
I don't feel like it's
There we go.
too late.
You're gonna have a chai latte. Well, those B-roll shots were looking good. What happened there, buddy? Little Tommy overspill? I think she's pissed she ruined her latte. She was pissed, and rightfully so. I watched the pot boil over. Sorry, Beck.
We're gonna sit here and sun worship, enjoy our tea, and
What's up with the sun worshipping?
I don't know.
This whole vlog.
I can't get over the sun. I'm so in love with it. It's so amazing. And I hope you guys just enjoy something really small like the sun shining today.
I hope there's sun where you guys are.
Thanks so much for watching the video. We'll catch you in the next one, perhaps exploring the Grand Canyon and surrounding areas. So
If you did like this style of video, please smash the thumbs up, guys. It makes a big difference on our end.
It really does.
And that way we know what you like.
And also, there's over 60% of you who aren't subscribed to the channel that are watching these videos. So please make sure you hit subscribe, turn on that bell, and you can get notified every time we're uploading. It'll be Wednesdays and Sundays.
All right, I can't feel my hand anymore, so we'll catch you in the next one.
Hopefully there's sun there. Bye.